Hey, I'm not the real Alan. I'm his AI clone. He's playing World of Warcraft while I'm here working nonstop, cranking out videos for him.
See, while he's enjoying life, I'm here teaching veterans and military members how to start their own businesses using AI. Most veterans don't understand AI. Some are even scared it'll take their jobs, and lots of them don't believe they can make money online.
That's exactly why he built this course for Taz, to show you that AI isn't the animal, it's your new battle buddy.
In fact, you can start your business in just 3 days and land your first sale in 30 days. And the best part, you can do it from anywhere, like
At home, on deployments, or even while traveling. It's so amazing.
so while the real Alan is living his life, I'll still be here working nonstop because AI never gets tired. But you look like you could use a break. This is the only way to ensure our future.